tourism industry is Jamaica's bread and butter. It is responsible for 9.5% of GDP, contributes 50% of the foreign exchange earnings of the economy, and generates 354,000 jobs, direct, indirect, and induced. It is within this context that we are anxious to revive tourism, which has been severely crippled by the pandemic. The figure I mentioned of 354,000 workers is only half of the story because they have dependents. And when we consider it all, it's a substantial portion of the nation that is awaiting the reopening of this industry. The Ministry of Tourism has calculated the economic fallout. The estimated loss of direct tourism earnings to the government due to COVID-19 for April 20 to March 21 is estimated at 38.4 billion Jamaican dollars. The estimated overall loss to the economy from visitor expenditure from stopover arrival is expected to be some 107.6 billion Jamaican dollars. You can see, therefore, that the phased reopening of our border to international travelers on June 15 is not just about tourism. It is a matter of economic life or death. I am mindful of the public sentiments that we are moving too fast and that this will pose a health risk for the Jamaican people. I want to assure you that the reopening will be carried out safely and in a way that protects our frontline tourism workers, Jamaican citizens, and our visitors. The fundamental elements of the tourism protocols relate to sanitation, face mask and personal protective equipment, physical distancing, clear communication and messaging, digital enablement, real-time health monitoring and reporting, rapid response, and training. As part of our wider work to safeguard the well-being of our tourism workers, when the sector opens, my ministry recently donated 10,000 masks to frontline industry workers. Jamaica can also see how the properties are reconfiguring to enable physical distancing to be realized. And just to give you a picture, we went into the restaurants and we see where the density situation has been significantly reduced. There are no more than 3 people to a normal 4-seating arrangement, and the emphasis is more on 2 seats per sitting. We look at the beaches, and it's an amazing job that is being done to create again the distancing. And I think that perhaps is an easier thing to do because the beaches tend to be a little extended in the hotel areas. We were so impressed too with the type of arrangements that are being made to protect the workers and the PPEs that have already been bought by some. You should see the mask as well as plastic screenings that the workers are being given to wear, the uniform that they have on, the gloves that they're wearing, and then to see the equipment for sterilizing and sanitizing the area. We will continue to infuse our warmth and culture in everything we do to remind the world that this is the #1 place to be.